मॉडल, एक्ट्रेस एंड बिग बॉस कंटेस्टेंट पायल रोहतगी ने जेट एयरवेज पर हिंदू होने के कारण प्लेन से उतारने का आरोप लगाया है। पायल के मुताबिक हिंदू होने के कारण उन्हें जेट एयरवेज की फ्लाइट से उतार दिया गया। दरअसल पायल अपने बॉयफ्रेंड संग्राम सिंह के साथ छुट्टियां मनाने मुंबई से त्रिवेंद्रम जा रही थी। उनकी फ्लाइट 6:50 की थी। दोनों 6:20 पर एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे, लेकिन क्रू ने उन्हें फ्लाइट में जाने से मना कर दिया, जिसके बाद पायल ने फेसबुक लाइव के जरिए जेट एयरवेज के खिलाफ जमकर भड़ास निकाली और दोबारा कभी जेट एयरवेज से सफर न करने की कसम भी खाई।
Hi guys, I am at the airport, Bombay airport, and I am just going live because something really weird happened early in the morning. First of all, we reached the airport. We were supposed to go from Bombay to Trivandrum and we were flying Jet Airways. I don't know what was wrong. We reached the terminal for a 6:50 flight at 6:20 and we were flying business. And apparently there was this guy called Nadeem, supervisor, and Abdul. Muslim guys, I don't know what was it. Was it a secularism act or was it just a normal act of being built up from a wrong side of being got up from the wrong side of the bed? But he just refused to let us enter the gate and he wasted our time on the gate for 15 minutes. And then he wrote on our boarding pass that we have come here at 6:36 and his gate is closed. And he did all that halla gulla on the entrance, and there should be CCTV footage about that kind of drama happening. Obviously it was 6:30 in the morning. I had not done my yoga, so I also kind of lost it. And he's telling me don't abuse, when I'm not even abusing. I'm just saying that you're behaving very badly and I hope something like this happens to you and you get offloaded and something really mean happens to you in your life. And he's like, don't abuse, don't abuse. Excuse me, Mr. Nadeem, I was not abusing. So I'm just trying to tell you, life is so funny. Maybe this plane was supposed to crash. I have no idea. But I'm going to take it in my stride. We have been offloaded from the Mumbai Trivandrum flight. And one day of my holiday plan has gone to a toss because this Nadeem chap and his assistant Abdul maybe got up from the wrong side of the bed and just decided to offload us. Apart from that, they are giving us grief regarding a refund. So I think Jet Airways is obviously not going to be my choice to fly next time. I would prefer flying a Go Air business. That's better. Or a Indian Airlines. After all, it's Indian Airlines. Why should we fly Jet? What is this whole thing about flying Jet and that whole thing about it's supposed to be a premium airline to fly? It's a shit flight. We apologized on the gate saying that okay, we are sorry. Our holiday is booked. Our hotels are booked. Just let us in. We won't do something like this again. And they're busy just folding hands and trying to act smart. And then when I'm tweeting about it or clicking their picture, they're trying to get aggressive. So I don't know what was wrong with them. And on top of that, they want to usurp our money. They don't want.
इस वीडियो के साथ पायल ने कई सारे ट्वीट्स भी किए हैं, जिनमें उन्होंने लोगों के सवालों का जवाब भी दिया है। दरअसल कई लोगों ने पायल की धर्म के आधार पर भेदभाव करने की बात पर आपत्ति जताई। कुछ लोगों ने कमेंट किया कि जेट एयरवेज का स्टाफ अपनी ड्यूटी निभा रहा था, इसीलिए पायल को ऐसी बात नहीं कहनी चाहिए थी।